Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll walk you through your Clearscope account and the user interface of this powerful content optimization and monitoring platform. In my previous video, I showed you how to get started with Clearscope, so if you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial first. So I'm logged into my Clearscope account, and this is the main homepage. Click on Account in the top right corner, and then choose Profile. Here you can update your name and email address and then change your password as well. Down below you can update your project notification settings. If you click on Organization Settings here, you'll be brought to this page where you'll see several tabs. We are currently in the General tab. Here you can update your organization name and URL. Down below, you can change the report settings. Let me scroll down. In this custom branding section, you can brand it with your own company logo. To do so, click on Browse, navigate to your folder on your computer, choose your logo image, and then click Open. And then click Save. So here is my uploaded logo. Let me scroll back up, and then I'll go to the Users tab. You can click this Invite Users button to add any of your team members to your Clearscope account. Next, let me go to the Billing and Credits tab. In this section, you can see your plan details, including other plan options, and your invoice history. This is also where you can cancel your subscription if you need to. Down below, it'll display your add-ons if you have any, as well as your usage for a number of web pages used. In the Report Credits section, you'll be able to track your remaining credits as well as buy more credits if you need to. Let me scroll down. Here is where you can change your billing email address, and further down below is where you can add a payment method. Let me scroll back up. And then I'll go to the Integrations tab. Here you'll be able to see your Google search properties that you've connected. You can also add more accounts if you need to. And you can also delete specific accounts if you need to. Down below, you'll see 3 integration options to integrate your Clearscope account with Google Docs, WordPress, as well as Microsoft Word. And I'll be creating separate tutorials to show you how to do this. Now let me go to the Advanced tab, and you'll see 2 sections here. Under Term Filtering, you can prevent specific terms from showing up in reports. And in the Scraping Tools tab, you can customize how Clearscope scrapes yours and your competitors' web pages. In this left side panel under Reports, you'll see all of your reports once you create them. Here are 3 reports that I've created so far. Again, I'll be creating separate tutorials for this. Similarly, under Content Inventory, you'll find all of the web pages you have imported and the corresponding analytics for your web properties. And finally, under Topic Research and Explorations is where you'll do your keywords and topic exploration. And as mentioned earlier, I'll be creating separate tutorials where I cover each of these topics in detail. To try Clearscope and get a discounted price, check the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.